Hey, let me show you how you can customize watch faces on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. So first of all, I will recommend you to open Galaxy wearable application. Right here, everything is bigger and it will be much easier to customize the watch face. So you will have to go into the watch faces, and now between all of your watch faces that you have on your watch, just select this one that you want to customize. So for example, I would like to customize this watch face, so I have to click on this blue button. And first of all, in this watch face, I can actually change the pre-made. So I'm gonna change for this one, or maybe this one. I would like to get this additional information like steps, heart rate, and the battery level. Then I can go for the character. There we go. There's also option to change the clock type and get seconds on the watch face. And here we can change the complication, so we can change it between the steps, sleep. As you can see, all of these activities and functions. So I would like to actually get some app shortcuts. Okay, it takes too much time. Maybe I will just go for the battery. Then for another one, right here I would like to add maybe the hiking. There we go. At the bottom I would like to get sleep coaching. And at the last one, maybe the quick access to the timer, and here I'm gonna change for events. And now if I want to apply all of these changes, I can click save, and then as you can see, that's how it looks on my watch face. As you can see, I just add everything. Now I can use these shortcuts. There we go. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.